Introducing AICoaches. With this most advanced version you're getting. Feature number 1. Agency White Label Technology. $1997 value. We understand that using software as part of your own business or agency requires a level of white label customization. That's exactly what AICoaches Enterprise offers. You can now replace the AICoaches branding logo from the dashboard to your own agency's logo and make the app as part of your own branded agency. Stand out from everyone else and white label your agency account with your own logo. With this powerful but also exclusive feature, you will be able to add your own logo on your dashboard. Feature number 2. Add 100 agency clients. $697 value. You'll be able to add far more clients to AICoaches to let them set up the campaigns how they want. Your income level is pretty much unlimited now. Each company will want multiple AICoach employees, so this is critical to have multiple accounts for different users logging in and out to manage their AI avatar clones. Feature number 3. Enterprise Reseller. $597 value. This is possibly the most requested feature ever. With AICoaches Enterprise, you'll have the ability to resell AICoaches Gold to your clients, customers, subscribers, fans, and pretty much anyone you want. Best part, we'll handle all the support. This add-on feature usually sells for $497 and is only available for first 50. Feature number 4. Enterprise TMA Technology. $697 value. With your current license of AICoaches, you are stuck doing everything 100% yourself. But, with the Enterprise upgrade, you can let others do all the hard work for you without having to lift a finger. The Team Member Access feature allows you to create access for your team members to your own account. This allows team members to log into the account and perform tasks on behalf of you. This can be useful for managing work assignments and delegating tasks within a team. You can control the access granted to each team member and can easily add or remove team members as needed. Feature number 5. Enterprise Outsourcing Suite. $597 value. Want to know exactly how to have other people build your agency business and find clients for you? Learn exactly how to outsource your loyalty agency services, even if you don't think you have money to hire anyone, with this brand new training. Plus, get a VIP bonus today only. AI Coaching Agency Scaling Materials. Plus, get a suite of DFY agency materials to help land the clients and scale your agency even faster, available for the next 100 buyers. You'll get AI Business Coaching Proposal. Use this gorgeous proposal to land clients for your AI coaching business. Or send as a proposal to coaching clients to use your AI avatar coaching bot services. High-end artificial intelligence marketing presentation. Are your clients confused on what exactly AI is and how it's going to help them? Use this high-end AI presentation to education them on your AI services and look like an authoritative agency people can trust. DFY Fiverr and Upwork Enterprise gigs plus training to sell AICoaches services fast. Make back the cost of your purchase fast with these premium DFY Fiverr gig templates. Create AI avatar bots for clients at premium prices right on Fiverr or Upwork in seconds with 100 million potential customers right at your fingertips. Coaching Client Welcome Packet. Send a welcome packet to any student that signs up for your AI coaching bot or courses to help them engage and stay longer. Or white-label this welcome packet and give to your coaching and consulting agency clients when you sell them your AI avatar bot services. DFY AI Agency Email Swipes and Teleswipes Agency Teleswipes. Get a set of phone call swipes proven to get clients. These are tailor-written for the AI coaching marketing agency that wants to get clients fast but is starting from square one with no referrals. Just plug and play these with real businesses to start landing deals this weekend. DFY Contract Vetted by an Attorney. Having a real, vetted contract before you work with any business is crucial today. Not only will it protect you and make sure you get paid for the work you are going to do, but it allows the business you're working with to know you are someone professional they can trust. Plus, get these enterprise add-ons today only. Add-on number 1. Simple autoresponder with reseller rights, $967 value. Your client's marketing isn't going to work if they don't have their own autoresponder to collect leads and send broadcasts to. Many don't, so you can give or sell them this simple-to-use autoresponder for them to do email marketing with. Create newsletter templates with your style and edit content just like you would a post in WordPress. Easily import post content from your site and schedule newsletters to be sent at the right time. Unlimited subscribers license is included. Add-on number 2. Get FB, Twitter, Google free AD credits, up to $1,000, $497 value. Are you looking for a way to get free ad credits from some of the biggest names in the industry? Look no further. In this free add-in, we will show you how to get free ad credits from Facebook, Twitter, and Google, up to a total of $1,000. AICoaches makes awesome YouTube and Instagram ads content, so this is the perfect bonus to use. But, don't miss out, the price will be increasing. Because we need to be fair to the early adopters of AICoaches Enterprise and support our bandwidth, we can't allow everyone to access this price. That's why we're limiting who gets in by raising the price every few hours. For a very limited time, the good news is you can upgrade to AICoaches Enterprise for the lowest possible price and secure access with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Plus, we're taking on all the risk. Plus, if for any reason you don't get triple the results or simply don't want to use AICoaching Enterprise anymore in the next 30 days, just let our rapid response support team know and we'll issue you a prompt refund. The support desk is standing by to issue you a refund if you decide to exercise your risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Get access now. Go ahead now and secure your order before this special offer gets taken down. Press the Buy Now button right now to lock in your exclusive enterprise license.